Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk to you about the brand new belt clip that just released from Fenix, the ALC-01. This is a quick release belt clip. It does make it very functional and does have this little rubber strap that will actually be able to hold in the flashlight. It does have the ability to rotate 300 different degrees as well. Simply snap the light in, secure it, and you're good to go. It does fit the TK25IR, the TK25RB, TK20R, TK15UE, and the TK16. On the TK15, TK16, and TK20, you will have to remove the tactical ring. And that is the brand new belt clip from Fenix. Go check yours out today.